guys, welcome back to another video. So we're here. Say hi guys.
Hello.
Hi
Everyone.
We're here in America's Cup. It's like, I guess 7 o'clock in the morning right now. Sunrise is happening. There's a couple people there already. Oh, look at the sunrise, guys. It's like nice and peaceful. Not really a lot of noise, nothing. It's just got a little breeze going on. It's real nice. Well, it's been so long since I was here. Actually, I think it's the first time this year I've been at America's Cup. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna flick this. I'm not expecting anything really. Da-da-da. Yeah. Thank you, mommy. We got a few people over here this morning to catch some robins. Got a little bit of fry there. Haven't seen any galunggong yet, some robins yet. I can see a few snapper down there though. Oh, they're starting to catch some now. Come on, galunggong, where are you? Oh, I got grunt. Like, okay. I don't know, you want this, Dad? Grunt. He's a little boy because he got smacked on the Alright. Good job, Mom.
Okay, welcome to Ocean Bounty Day 2. We're catching robins. It's a little bit windy today, but we tried to catch some robins today. I think they are there already. Let's see. Yep.
Jet, dito tayo.
Yeah.
Hindi maano yung hangin dito.
Yeah. Yeah. Para mo to?
Jet.
Huh?
Jet.
Yeah, we got Jet today. We got Giselle. And anong pangalan niya? Lingkon? Benny. Got Benny today.
Hello.
Fishing with us, catching some robins. And we are also Sikabayan. So it's a good day for catching robins today. What's some price, old price, man?
They're here. They're here. They're here. So I learned from Kuya, see?
There you
Only
go.
half.
Just half.
Just half. Half.
Hello. Oh, there you go.
I got one.
Good.
I'm so happy.
Yeah.
Ay, for the first time! I got one! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, sariwa pa. May ano na ako sa munggo ko. Bumili ko naman ako ng munggo.
Malamig ka.
Nice.
Ay, ano? Ay, teka, oh. Itas kita kaya tayo.
Yeah.
Serious.
Yes.
Yes! Another one!
Yeah. Hey, everybody's catching now. Alright, good day for catching
now.
robins. See guys, we got that robin. There are lots of them now. See? Wow. Just busy putting the bait on the hook. And mommy. Oh. We are gonna put hook on mine now. Alright, there's the right too. Okay, look at that. Good day for fishing,
Yay.
catching these robins. Alright. Coming soon.
Laki.
Oh, it's a doctor fish. Maganda niya, kunin mo. Kunin
Huh?
natin.
Okay. Oh, the salad cuts are Dr. Fish.
Be careful. Siyempre ang pakunin mo.
Yeah, ako na.
Sinit yan. Parang ang liit
Look
lang
at
siya.
that,
Tingnan mo,
mommy.
nahuli mo.
Mommy's using the triple hook.
Oh.
No? Oh, you got the single hook now.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Andali, I'll help you there. We are here at backyard, and Jasmine is working today, so we're not able to, so she was not able to come with us. But anyway, we're taking this video, for the Ocean's Bounty in the water down. See, you can see. Yeah, there's a lot of robins. Yeah, we catch one bonito, and the other gentleman here. Can I know your name, Brad?
Donel.
Donel, yeah, Donel is here. He cuts a lot also. Just put it in the plastic bag and see, as you can see in the water. Yeah. Yeah, we are enjoying our catch without Jasmine and Falconer. My son is also working today. So we are blessed that we come here in the morning and there are already a lots of robins. They are chasing all the small fries. So even the frozen one that we bring, they are because robins are really hungry. They just bite it. Yeah. Yeah. See that robin there? He's still hungry though. Yeah. And it's just that one now.
Hi guys, we finished fishing. We're about to leave, and my husband cleaning this spot.
Yeah, we make sure that you finish fishing and
Sure
you
that
have to clean the area that
before you leave the
fishing.
area, you have to
Making
clean it.
sure it's nice and clean.
Yeah, we cut
Clean the area.
he cuts 2 buckets of robins and 1 bonito. Yeah, 2 buckets. Bonito is a good size.
Alright guys, that's about it for the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next one.